Welcome to another edition of the Cisco Networking Academy Field Guide to Careers. Join us on a journey through information technology. The territory can appear forbidding, but it's an exciting career for those ready to overcome technological obstacles. To strike gold and build a fulfilling career, you'll need the skills to turn those obstacles into opportunities. All it takes is the right guidance. The instructors of Cisco Networking Academy, familiar with the terrain, can lead you on your trek. Your journey begins with a user-friendly introduction to the lay of the land in Get Connected. Next, discover hidden beauty in IT Essentials. You'll develop working knowledge of the IT industry and learn to install, configure, and troubleshoot computing devices. To really get computers, you'll need to understand operating systems. Get your footing with Linux Unhatched, where you'll build a foundational understanding. Hike onwards through Linux Essentials, and then to Linux 1 and 2 to equip yourself with more tools of the trade. With every course, you'll get the hands-on experience you need to put out every fire, climb every cliff, and navigate every tech trail. You won't be coming home empty-handed. On your travels, you'll collect the certifications you need to carry your career forward. IT device management and operating system skills are essential in the modern world. Cisco Networking Academy is your ticket to the expertise and opportunities you need to broaden your horizons. Discover the latest courses and set out on an exciting career journey at netacad.com.